Assalamu alaikum. The topic that is going to be a part of our discussion today is called electromagnetism. Electromagnetism consists of two words. One is electricity and other is magnetism. This means that it is a mutual relationship between electricity and magnetism. Now, question arises that how electricity and magnetism connected to each other. Let me explain you. Basically, the electromagnetism is the branch of the physics deals with the production of magnetic field from electricity and production of electricity from magnetic field. By changing magnetic field, passing through a conductor can produce electric current within a conductor. Same as it is, by changing the position of a charges present within a conductor can produce magnetic field along with the electric field around the conductor. Now, you also observe that whenever a charge is present in a rest condition, it have only electric field around it, and the charge will experience electric force when its electric field interact with another charge's electric field. But a moving charge have electric field along with the magnetic field around it, and it can experience electric and the magnetic field both, known as electromagnetic force. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.